7,000 Myro meme token is gonna make you rich in the heat of the bull market, and I'm gonna show you why in this very video. Myro is a Solana meme token, and you need to hold these in your portfolio. And also, we are seeing Kaspa pumping to the upside. I'm going to talk about all of this in this very video. So watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Myro is one of my pick in this very bull market, and there are interesting things you need to note about this very meme token, which I'm going to dive right into immediately. So Myro, if you look at where it is right now, is trading at 0.1314 and 3,256%. Okay, although market is moving downward, we see market moving downward, all this drastic drop to the downside, Myro is still in this profit, okay, which is also very significant. And if you look at the market capitalization right now as we speak, this is $124 million in market capitalization and ranked 312 by coin market cap. Okay, and this is very, very little at the moment, so this is the best time to get some Myro into your portfolio. Look at the circulating supply, just 944 million Myro in circulation right now, and the total supply is 999 million Myro, so you can also call it a billion Myro or thereabout. And it is on the Solana blockchain. Okay, so many coin or meme token on the Solana blockchain is going to do well in this very bull run. So this is one of the pick that I am looking at, and I've been talking about Myro as well on this very channel. Now, one interesting thing about Myro is that if you look at the market, it is not on major exchanges, so you don't find most tier 1 exchange right here. We have only Bybit that is among the tier 1 exchange right now that Myro is listed on. This is a big deal, guys. If you look at it, we have Bybit, we have Get.io, we have HTX, we have KuCoin, Mexi, and the others at this very point. And we also have crypto.com, which is one of the US regulated exchange right here, which is also good. But if you notice, this Myro, this meme token, is not on Binance, it's not on Uphold, it's not on Coinbase, it's not on Robinhood, and it's not on OKX. This is very, very important, guys, which mean as they extend their listing to these major exchanges, I am expecting this very meme token to explode to the upside. And that is why it is necessary for you to get some Myro into your portfolio if you don't have this. This is one of the meme coin that you can buy and be rest assured that it's not going to rock, okay, because it's already on major exchanges. And one other important thing right here is that this coin is at its bottom right now. That means a major correction has happened already. We see the first wave of move from this very area to the upside, and then it come back right down to this very point. This was about 70% retracement, and then market move all the way to the upside, and then we see this drop again, 70% retracement. Market move could not create a new high, come back right down, create a new low lower than the previous low at this very point, and then market is about to move to the upside. So I am expecting that the market move to the upside on Myro from these 2 points I'm going to show you right now. So the first area is where the market is right now, this very point to the upside. And the other point that you need to pay attention to as well is this very level of important support. Okay, so market can come back down a little bit, that possibility is there. Market can come back down from where it is right now at this very point right here, and then from this point come back down before that final move to the upside. And the reason why is because this very area is a key support where the market moved from in the past, and this area as well is a very key support where we see a major pump to the upside in the past as well on Myro. So Myro, from this very point, I am expecting it to begin to move to the upside, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now on Myro. So from here, expect Myro to move to the upside from this very point, and then from this very area of this integral support, this area of 0.079, market have capacity of moving to the upside. So you can dollar cost average and buy into this very position. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on Myro, guys. Now, if you look at the RSI indicator from this very standpoint, market has not entered into oversold condition before on Myro. Look at it here. So from this very area, market did not enter into oversold condition. Market did not enter here. It did not enter at this point, but this very time round, market enter into oversold condition at this very point right here, and then coming out of it, which is a big deal for the market right now. So after oversold condition entering by the market at this very point, market come out and then moving gradually to the upside. So I believe that this very movement is going to continue from here to the upside, and if we see a decline, market is going to come back in here and before it will begin to move sporadically to the upside. So this is what I am looking at for right now on Myro. So like I said earlier, Myro is one of the good meme coin out there that you can buy right now into your portfolio with very, very little supply, under $1. It has not gotten to major exchanges, which if it do, is going to skyrocket this price to the upside aggressively. So pay attention to this, guys. And my price prediction for Myro is the least $25. So if you do 25, okay, where I am expecting the price to get to in the heat of the bull market, divide by the price of Myro right now, which is 0.131. Okay, so we are going to have 190x in the heat of the bull market. This is my minimum expectation. Okay, it can do more than this, so 190x. So this is my personal opinion. And if you take $1,000, so if you want to invest with $1,000, you can invest maybe the least 20 or through $50 into this as your capacity can reach. But if you put $1,000 and you divide that by where the market is right now, you see that you have this quantity of Myro, 7,633 Myro that you will have with $1,000. So 7,600 Myro, and if this get to $25 in the heat of the bull market, you're going to have $190,000. This is a big deal, guys. So it can make you rich in the heat of the bull market. Okay, Myro can make you rich in the heat of the bull market with just $1,000 or lower than that, even with a $20 investment. So this is very important. It's not an investment advice, but you need to pay attention to this and consider investing in Myro, and note that it is a meme coin. Okay, so it can have capacity as well to drop right down if most token or coin are dropping to the downside in the bull market. So this is very important, guys. You need to pay attention to Myro right now and get Myro into your portfolio. So 7,000 Myro in the heat of the bull run can make you rich. Okay, Kaspa, I've been talking about Kaspa on this very channel, and it is required for also pay attention to Kaspa. We see this very pump to the upside, and the market come down a little bit right now. I am expecting that Kaspa is going to continue upward. Like I said, these two areas are very important on the chart right now, because the possibility of market coming back down to this very area before moving to the upside is there. As a matter of fact, I get a little bit more Kaspa at this very area after my last video for market to move to the upside, and the market is going very well right now. I will still get more Kaspa if I see the market dump to the downside, maybe to this very area of support. I will still buy more Kaspa into your portfolio. So Kaspa is one of the best layer 1 coin or crypto that you can get in your portfolio with rest assurance that it's not going to correct that much if market begin to come down heavily to the downside, because we've seen that over time, as at when the market was coming back aggressively from this very area to the downside, Kaspa was not moving aggressively like other altcoins. It was maintaining strength, and all of a sudden we see this pump right here yesterday, which means it have capacity of moving all the way to the upside. So get some Kaspa into your portfolio. It is a good layer 1 coin that you can get right now, and it is a fair launch crypto. So this is what I am expecting right now on this various chart. Myro is going to make you rich in the heat of the bull market if you invest the least $1,000. 7,000 Myro is going to make you rich in the heat of the bull market, and this is not a financial advice. This is my personal opinion, and Kaspa is one of the best layer 1 crypto that you can get out there in this very bull market. Is going to do very well. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin, please check the description of this video right now. You see a link and do your registration right away. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.